Okay, boys and girls, so yesterday we worked on those three consonant blends where you have just three consonant letters together, like splint, how we have the spl, the spl together in the word. And so we are going to kind of look for words today that have that three consonant blend together. So I do want you to get a dry erase board. And while we're doing our blend and read words, I'm going to have you use your board to write different things down of what we're going to work on today. So one of it's going to be the three consonant blend, our three consonant letters that are together. So let's look at number one and right now. And if you don't have a paper, or pencil, or dry erase board by you, then just stop the video. But right now I want you to look at the first row, and we are going to blend and read the words that are in the first row. So in our first row, let's start with our first word. So eam, scream. Remember when I see the two vowels together, it's only that one vowel that says its name because it's a vowel team. So the E says its name. It's always the first vowel says its name. Ing, spring. Eve, weave. And look at that. That word is a contraction. So that is just a shorter version of we have. Okay, then let's go to our three consonant blend. Ing, string. Ooh, through. Okay, so in the first row, I want you to write all the words that have a three consonant blend. So for instance, you should be writing scream, spring, string, and through. So the only word you shouldn't have written was the word weave, because that's a contraction word. All right, let's look at row 2 and let's just say the words together. So we have could've, wasn't, splint, hasn't, squint. Now this time I want you to write the words that are our contraction words. Remember the shorter version of how we would say the word with two words, two base words. So there's there's only three that you should write. Should be could've, wasn't, hasn't. Could've is the shorter version of could have. Wasn't is the shorter version of was not. And hasn't is the shorter version of has not. Okay, so row 3, let's read that together. Preheat, peer, reread, spear, reseal. So this time I want you to write the words that have a prefix. Remember, prefixes are at the beginning. I see 3 words in row 3 that have a prefix that are attached to a base word. So you should write, and remember, if I'm moving too fast, go ahead and stop the video. It's hard for me to know how fast you guys move now that you're not in my classroom for me to see. So for row 3, you should have wrote preheat, reread, and reseal. Remember, the prefix pre means before, and re means again. Okay, so for row 4, let's go ahead and just read the words. Blouse, brown, ouch, pouch, pound. Let's read row 5. Unscrew, splatter, springy, thread, squash. So for row 5, I want you to write those 3 consonant blend words. Remember where they have just those 3, before they put a vowel down, there's 3 consonant letters that are together at the beginning of the word, and there looks like there are 3 in row 5. So you should have wrote splatter, springy, and thread. Okay. Let's go ahead and read, let's just read row 6, 7, and 8. So we're done with our paper right now. Let's just go ahead and read our sentences. Ready? For row 6. I'll play outside when spring comes. Make sure you're repeating that sentence or saying it with me. What word is our contraction? Yes, I'll. So I'll is the shorter version of I will. Let's read row 7. The nest is made out of string and scraps. How about you tell me the 2 words that have the 3 consonant blend? Yes, string and scraps. String has STR, scraps has SCR. Then 8 is the frogs in the stream splash and sing. So what are those 3 consonant blends in row 8? Yes, stream, splash, and sing. Okay, now when you get done with this, I want you to first, you are going to work on your vocab worksheet today over the story. Oh no, I don't think we have a vocab worksheet today. Let me look. You guys will be able to see me switching my board. It looks like today is Thursday, so it looks like you are going to reread. So you don't have a worksheet assignment, but you do have a test to take today. So as you can see, it says you are going to reread the Sea Otter Pups, and you're going to take the quiz today. Make sure you take the quiz today. And then that is all that you need to do for that assignment. Okay? So when you stop this video, I want you to go onto the HMH site. Remember, just click on those blue words and find the story, Sea Otter Pups. And after you reread it again, I want you to take the quiz. Okay, if you need any help, let me know.